Alright, here I have a 2024 Honda Accord, and to reset this tire light or tire warnings, you have to put the correct pressure on the tires first of all. The front and rear are a little different. The front is 33 and the rear is 32. But make sure to check yours just in case it's a little different. But this is for the 2024. And what you want to do is you want to come here to menu and slide over to vehicle settings, and then just press TPMS calibration, calibrate, and then you get this screen, and that's it. But if you don't have this little screen or this big screen and you have the little one, you want to do it through here. You want to use this scroll button and you want to scroll down to settings. And I skipped it right there, but settings, and I was accidentally in gear, so you must be in park. And that's literally the first one. You click it, you scroll up, click it again, and then that's it. And it should be your target light should be gone.